Hello, here we have a VW Scirocco TSI, and we have a problem with the side skirt. It's sagging out because the tape is old, so we're going to fix it. But to remove, first we need to take out a bolt there. And a bolt there. Okay, so you can see the side skirt has come off. Next thing would be to clean the rubber that's still left and any dirt on the surface for the tape, and to peel off all the old tape down to the plastic so that the new tape will lay flush. And also in my case, you can see these white patches from when they painted the side skirts. This was obviously overspray, so I'll clean this out as well so that the rubber can form a good seal against the car. In terms of method, I kind of took a trim tool and just wedged the plastic, the double-sided tape along until it came off. And you can see the clips. You just need to push two sides and it comes out, but it pretty much comes out if you just push one side and it'll pop out. Okay, so the side skirt has been cleaned up. You can see I just took a knife and just cut the rubber smooth and then washed it so there's no dirt. The car has also been cleaned, made sure that there's no wax. It must be just paint so it can stick nicely. And sometimes these things, most of these rubber grommets, they came out the car and they stayed on the clips. So you just need to pull the grommet off, put it back in the car before you clip it back in. But next up is to put on tape and then install. Okay, so you can see the tape is put on in all the areas. Now I just need to peel the backing and put it in. Also, I managed to get the white out of that black seam that you can see there. And if you're interested in the tape, it's about a centimeter thick by 1 mil in depth. So just some standard double-sided tape. Okay, so here we can see the side skirt is back on, and there's a nice, very small gap even compared to this one. That one's a lot smaller. But yeah, the screws are in, and I couldn't show you before, but here is the rear screw. You just have to put this grommet back in this hole, and then it'll be good. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope it helped you to get the side skirts off these cars, because they can be a bit difficult.